wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best travel potty seats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Mommy's Helper Cushy Tushie can help youngsters feel more comfortable in public restrooms, thanks to cheerful ducks and a padded seat. The opening is pretty tiny, so kids may outgrow it too fast, but it comes in at a budget-friendly price. The yellow print glows in the dark and is equipped with a sturdy handle for lifting or hanging it. However, it fits round toilets best. At number 9, the Kalencom Potette Plus is an all-in-one option that works as a trainer seat on a full-sized toilet or as a standalone unit when equipped with a disposable plastic insert that you really can't secure the bag quickly if your child is having an emergency. Its hinged legs lock securely and it comes in a wide range of colors, but is not so good at containing spraying. Coming in at number 8 on our list. It would be difficult to find a model more straightforward than this one-piece option from Jool Baby Products. The sleek minimalist design still provides a built-in splash shield and a rubber ring on the base to help keep it from sliding around. It's easy to pack in a suitcase and includes an adhesive hook. However, some find it too big for round seats. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for travel potty seats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the versatile Primo 4-in-1 can be a standalone potty with a lid, or you just pop off the blue disc and can use it as an on-the-go seat reducer. With all the ways it can transform, it's got a lot of nooks and crannies to be satisfied, though the seat itself is very smooth. It's equipped with a molded splash guard and the base converts into a step stool, but the bottom really needs some non-slip grips. Moving up our list to number 6. The Nickelodeon Paw Patrol has a cushioned ring for comfort, and this model comes in an array of other characters, from Disney princesses to Sesame Street, to suit most kids' tastes. It features handles on the side for support and a removable splash guard. However, it does need to be taken apart for cleaning. Halfway up our list at number 5. Like putting a bathroom in a briefcase, the Cool Gear chair collapses into a size that can be carried from one place to another easily. Open it up, drop in a disposable plastic liner though, and your toddler is good to go. It includes side compartments for supplies and is sturdy enough for bigger kids, but it needs a splash guard for boys. At number 4, because there's only so much room in a diaper bag, the gimars folding breaks down to a quarter of its full size and tucks away into a handy waterproof pouch. While it does reduce the size of the seat opening a bit, it might not be enough for learners under 3. It's made with pinch-free joints and has a 60-pound maximum weight capacity. It sports a friendly owl design. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the babybjörn trainer has a simple but ergonomic shape that encourages toddlers to sit correctly. There's a handy dial on the back to tweak its shape for a secure fit, and older children should be able to pop it into place on their own. It doesn't wobble once adjusted and features a sturdy hanging loop and a sloping splash shield. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for travel potty seats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the underside of the Munchkin grip is designed to stay firmly in place, whether you have a round or elongated bowl. Another thoughtful feature is the flexible splatter shield, so kids in a hurry can slide off without injuring themselves. It's an inexpensive choice, with feet for vertical storage. It snaps into place quickly. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the innovative OXO Tot 2-in-1 features sturdy legs that lock firmly to create a standalone commode. If you flatten them, non-slip grips underneath help it securely attach to a regular toilet. The splayed legs also give your child a clean area to hold onto. Flexible tabs keep liners secured, and it comes with a drawstring carrying bag. There are 4 color choices. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for travel potty seats, or simply click beneath this video.